Sometimes in our lives, we feel a strong pull towards change. This is often a sign that a significant transformation is coming, a subtle yet unmistakable indication that it's time to start a new chapter. This change isn't about relocating physically, it's a profound spiritual journey that propels us beyond past disagreements and limitations towards a future that matches divine plans. It offers us a chance to break away from our usual patterns and dive into exciting new adventures. When we heed this call, we view our life's trajectory in a new light, understanding that real progress is more about personal evolution than changing locations. It's an opportunity to shed old grievances, forgive ourselves and others, and become stronger with each step we take. This journey may be tough, but we're not alone. A greater power guides us, transforming each obstacle into a chance to demonstrate our resilience and flexibility. With faith as our shield, we cultivate endurance and deepen our trust in this path. There's comfort in knowing we're on the route meant for us. As we progress through each stage of this transformative process, it not only opens up new opportunities and relationships, but also lets us share important lessons and insights with the people we encounter. Although some friendships might fade, others make a deep and lasting impact. Continuing on this path, it becomes clear that every interaction and challenge is purposefully part of our destiny. Each step not only tests our determination, but also enriches our soul, tying us closer to the overarching goal of our lives. This journey reshapes us, molding us into the people we are meant to be, ready to take on new challenges that lie ahead. A path of spiritual renewal. Starting a spiritual journey can profoundly impact your personal growth and enhance your bond with the universe. As you embark on this revered adventure, prepare to face experiences that are nothing like you've ever encountered. It's crucial to acknowledge that not everyone will join you on this path. Some people may choose to stay put, unwilling to accept the transformative changes that accompany such journeys. This adventure signifies more than just a change in your surroundings. It marks a significant spiritual shift towards a greater divine future. Answering this divine call demands bravery, faith, and an openness to explore the uncharted. This isn't just a trip, it's a deep transformation that will redefine your spiritual life. You are invited to follow the path God has set out for you, to shed past hardships, and to overcome the obstacles that have restricted you. This change will influence every part of your life, compelling you to let go of what no longer serves your higher spiritual purpose. God's invitation to advance isn't merely about fulfilling your unique destiny, it heralds a future brimming with blessings. Preparing for this transformation might require you to venture alone or with only a few close allies. The path ahead will be filled with challenges and uncertainties that test your determination. However, these trials are essential for your personal and spiritual growth. They help mold you into the person you are destined to be, stripping away old fears and habits and rejuvenating your spirit to better align with your spiritual goals. As you progress on this path, see each step as a lesson in persistence and faith, strengthening your commitment to your spiritual mission. Every challenge you encounter is not merely a hurdle, but a chance to deepen your connection to the divine plan for your life. Subscribe to a journey of perpetual renewal, where each stage encourages you to discard the old and welcome a future rich with possibilities and divine blessings. A journey of faith and renewal. Faith paves the way forward, erasing doubts and fears as you embrace the changes that lie ahead. Truly accepting these changes means having faith in God's plan for you, confident that it will be better than anything you leave behind. This journey is not about minor changes, but a complete overhaul of your environment, emotions, thoughts, and spirit. As you step into this new chapter, you'll meet individuals who will enrich your spiritual path and encourage your growth. These connections will become essential as you navigate a path that God has uniquely designed for you, though it may be similar to others' paths. Starting on this path is an uplifting adventure that elevates you to new personal heights. You'll not only visit new places, but also deepen your understanding of God's promise of renewal and your own destined role. Letting go is crucial on this transformative journey. Welcoming change with strength and elegance involves shedding the old that hinders your spiritual progress and adapting to new environments and circumstances. This transition might evoke a spectrum of emotions and nostalgia, yet it opens up fantastic prospects for personal development. By letting go of the past, you open up room for new relationships, experiences, and insights. This space fosters a stronger bond with the divine and a clearer view of your spiritual calling. Venturing into the unknown and trusting in God's plan for you requires deep faith. Developing this trust is a gradual process, nurtured through consistent prayer, meditation, and contemplation. With growing faith comes increased bravery and optimism, preparing you to embrace the uncertainties of change with a hopeful spirit. As you continue along this path, your growing insight enhances your ability to affect and uplift those around you. Your journey shifts from being solely about personal change to also influencing the spiritual growth of others. By living authentically and sharing your experiences, you become a source of inspiration and a living proof of faith's transformative power. This continuous cycle of development and sharing enriches your life and extends its impact, touching the lives of others and spreading hope and love in a world in desperate need of it. A journey of spiritual renewal and transformation. Accepting change and progressing in life is a continuous process that unfolds more like a journey than a singular moment. As you grow spiritually, you may often revisit and release elements of your past. Skillfully navigating this path can greatly enhance your spiritual well-being and personal happiness. Every step forward presents its own set of rewards and hurdles. Understanding how to manage these shifts smoothly is key. At this point in your spiritual journey, you're engaged in a process of renewal and transformation. It's not just about change. By letting go of the old and welcoming the new, you edge closer to achieving your spiritual goals and the renewal you seek. Continuing on this spiritual voyage is a clear signal that not everyone is destined to be part of your future as God envisions it. Although it may be tough, it's important to cherish those God has placed in your life and to amicably separate from those who don't fit into your next chapter. Some will stand by you, providing support and friendship as you venture into the new possibilities that God has prepared for you. Meanwhile, some are tied to a phase of your life that you're meant to move past. Identifying these differences is crucial as it helps you figure out what and who aligns with the great plans God has for you. Answering God's call to move forward means letting go of the past and striving for the greater mission He has tailored for you. This phase of personal transformation is all about welcoming the new changes that God is fostering within you. Keep in mind that God is with you every step of this sacred journey, guiding your path, soothing your spirit, and preparing you for the extraordinary blessings that await. Welcome your journey as both a celebration of future prospects and a respectful farewell to your past. It's a sacred summons to climb to new spiritual heights. As you forge ahead in this transformative journey, it's vital to cultivate a mindset of openness and preparedness for the spiritual growth that awaits you. Each experience and challenge is a chance to deepen your faith and expand your understanding. Welcome the uncertainties and the thrilling opportunities that lie ahead with a hopeful heart and a spirit eager to follow wherever the path may lead. This willingness to evolve and adjust is what will steer you towards a life filled with achievement and divine purpose. If you're still watching, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Embracing change. Embarking on a journey aligned with your destined path of love, your faith will bloom and your life's purpose will clarify. It's important to welcome the uncertainties of this new chapter with steadfast faith. Although the future may appear unclear and outcomes may delay, maintain your trust in a carefully devised divine plan meant to guide you. This period is about more than just surface changes. It represents a time of deep personal growth and transformation that prepares you for future challenges. Keep an eye out for signs of divine guidance, like encouraging words from friends, unexpected opportunities, or insights during quiet moments of prayer. Such signs bolster your confidence to press on, reassuring you that you are indeed on the right path. God is intricately weaving a larger story in your life, molding you into the person you are destined to be. Welcome the challenges that come, understanding they are integral to His great plan for you. Find comfort in the knowledge that each experience, positive or negative, acts as a cornerstone in achieving your divine destiny. Reflect deeply on every aspect of this journey, appreciating how each step has molded your future. Welcome every challenge as a chance for spiritual enhancement and a step nearer to fulfilling your life's mission. Moving forward, sustain a spirit of thankfulness and resilience. Such an attitude not only keeps you driven, but also solidly anchored in your spiritual journey. In times of significant spiritual and personal development, it's essential to draw on your inner strength. Resilience is more than just enduring difficulties. It involves prospering during change and continually overcoming hurdles despite drawbacks. Continuously nurturing this resilience is key to your ongoing transformation, enabling you to flourish in fluctuating circumstances and proceed on your spiritual journey with bravery and hope. As you foster this resilience, you'll discover that you don't just withstand trials, you emerge from them stronger, wiser, and more closely attuned to your true purpose in life. A journey of spiritual growth. Transform your weaknesses into strengths. They serve as pathways to personal and spiritual growth by turning life's challenges into opportunities for development. At the core of this transformation is a robust faith in God's plan, particularly when the future looks uncertain. Building resilience involves deepening your connection with God through prayer, meditation, and the study of spiritual texts, and finding support in a community that shares your spiritual journey. Adopt a mindset that values growth when facing difficulties. See challenges as opportunities to deepen your understanding of yourself and foster personal evolution, concentrating on the prospects for improvement rather than the discomfort of change. Actively nurturing resilience and faith equips you to navigate spiritual transitions effectively, with each step forward not only testing, but also strengthening your faith and enhancing your spiritual life. Embark on a transformative journey by renewing your faith and embracing change. Open yourself to numerous opportunities that come with following your spiritual calling. This push to start afresh is a chance to cleanse both your external surroundings and your inner self, demanding extraordinary trust in God as you let go of past burdens and embrace new possibilities. This period of change is more than a physical shift. It is a profound spiritual exploration that deepens your faith, clarifies God's purpose for your life, and helps fulfill His promises. As you progress, trust in God's precise timing and His unwavering guidance. Even as you face the unknown, let your faith guide and strengthen you, turning each step into a milestone towards realizing God's grand plan for your life. Conclusion. Remember that the journey is as important as the destination. It's about the personal growth and insights you gain along the way. Approach challenges head-on, viewing them as opportunities to build resilience and deepen your faith. Each hurdle you overcome teaches valuable lessons and brings you closer to your spiritual aspirations. Stay adaptable and open to embracing new adventures that enhance your understanding and appreciation of your spiritual path. This next chapter of your life invites you to expand beyond your previous limits, explore new dimensions of your spirituality, and strengthen your connection with God. It's an opportunity for profound spiritual growth and to witness the powerful effects of faith and divine timing. Use prayer to navigate this journey and let your faith fortify your resolve as you embrace the new experiences that shape you into a person of deep spiritual insight and purpose. God has a grand plan for you, guiding you through experiences filled with joy and growth. Focus on God, the anchor of our faith, and let His love and promises support you during this transformative time. As you follow His lead, you're equipped to handle any challenge with the assurance that you are never alone. As you embark on this new path, you'll form connections with others who share your spiritual journey. Each step you take demonstrates the courage and wisdom your faith has given you, leading you toward a life full of purpose. Embrace each day as a chance for further spiritual growth, enlightenment, and a deeper connection with your divine mission. To wrap up, continue moving forward without letting anything hold you back. Even though the journey has been challenging, a higher power has been shaping you, and your unique talents are ready to be unveiled. View each challenge as a step closer to your ultimate goal. Surround yourself with positive people and reflect on your progress. Celebrate your achievements and confidently plan your next steps, recognizing that every small victory is a testament to your perseverance and hard work. We are with you on this journey, excited to continue sharing insights with you.